four eyes of iCNG technology: incredible performance, iconic safety, intelligent technology, and impressive features will make iCNG cars very desirable for our customers.
I am with you on that, sir. Now that sounds like a complete package. Incredible performance, iconic safety, intelligent technology, and impressive features. This is the Tata Motors iCNG. Mohan, what about colors? You made the world very impressive with the technology, with the safety features, but are you going to make it colorful? I'm sure these come in some fascinating colors. Tell us about it.
Absolutely. We are introducing new colors in both the Tiago and the Tigor. The Tiago would be available in Midnight Plum, along with the four other colors that are already available. The Tigor would be available in Magnetic Red, along with the four other colors that are already available.
Indeed, they look gorgeous. I'm sure there's something for each one of you out there. It's a personal choice, but you'll be spoiled for choice. Let's hear from Mohan.
Well, there's an interesting lineup of features in all the variants we have to offer. The Tiago comes in four variants: the XT, XM, XT, and the new XZ Plus. Like I said earlier, we have added new features in the XZ Plus variant in both petrol and CNG versions. The Tigor comes in two variants, the XZ and the XZ Plus. Similarly, we have added new features in the XZ Plus variant in both petrol and CNG in Tigor.
Mohan, I have to admit, this is the total package. मैं तो impressed हुई, आप भी हो जाओगे. Thank you, Mohan, for taking us through the iCNG. I'm sure our audience here today is truly excited to get their hands on the car soon. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's invite Mr. Shailesh Chandra, President Tata Motors, to tell us the much-awaited price of the much-coveted iCNG range offered by Tata Motors.
Friends, we hope that you all enjoyed the product demonstration. It's now time to reveal the price, as all of you have been waiting for. Can we have the pricing, please?
Thank you very much, sir. So, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, the glorious new Tata Tiago and Tigor iCNG. Two vehicles that have set new records, industry benchmarks, and reached new heights of incredible performance, iconic safety, intelligent technology, and impressive features.